Making a full income from writing books used to feel impossible. You'd spend months, even years, drafting, editing, hiring designers, and maybe, if you were lucky, your book would sell. But everything has changed. Today, I'm building a full-time income from books, leveraging the power of AI. And in this video, I'll break down step by step exactly how I'm doing it. We'll talk about how I use AI to brainstorm ideas, create detailed outlines, draft high-quality manuscripts, design professional covers, and publish them across multiple formats. I'll also show you how each book turns into multiple income streams: Kindle, paperback, hardcover, translations, and more. If you ever wanted to turn your ideas into a real business, this is your roadmap. Now, part one, why AI is a game changer. The reason this works today, but it didn't work years ago, is simple. It's AI. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and even Amazon's built-in features allow me to move faster than ever without ever sacrificing quality. Instead of spending months writing and designing, I can publish polished, professional books in a matter of days. The point isn't to let AI do everything for you. The point is to let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on strategy, picking the right topics, adding your unique voice, and scaling your catalog of books. Now, part two, the process, step by step. So let me walk you through the exact process that I use. Step one is idea generation. I start in ChatGPT, asking for trending book ideas for my niche. Instead of guessing, I get 10 to 20 options that I can refine into a marketable concept. Now, step two, outlining. Once I pick a concept, I ask AI to create a 10-chapter outline with subsections. This instantly gives me a clear roadmap. If I need adjustments, I refine the prompts until the structure feels strong. Now, step three, writing the actual manuscript. This is where AI saves the most time. Instead of writing everything myself, I guide ChatGPT one section at a time. I'll say something like, write 600 words about why multitasking lowers productivity. Include one scientific study and one real-world example. By doing this section by section, I keep quality high and avoid the sloppy generic content that most people produce. Now, step four, polishing. Once I have my draft, I run it through Grammarly and other editing tools. This step tightens the writing, improves the flow, and makes sure that it reads like a professional book. Now, step five, cover design. For covers, I generate cinematic artwork with AI. Then I refine it in Canva. Canva makes it easy to add titles, adjust fonts, and export in the exact dimensions that Amazon KDP requires. And now finally, step six. Finally, I upload the manuscript and cover into Amazon KDP. I publish it as a Kindle, paperback, and hardcover. If I want, I also upload it to ACX to create an audiobook. And sometimes I also translate it to Spanish and German and then repeat all of these income streams. Now, part three, how one book becomes many streams. Here's where the magic happens. One book doesn't equal one income stream. From one manuscript, I publish a Kindle ebook, a paperback, a hardcover, an audiobook, a Spanish translation, a German translation, and then all the Kindle, paperback, hardcover, and audiobooks for the translated versions, as well as bundles, box sets, courses, and spin-off products. That's at least 8 to 12 income streams from one book. And when you multiply that across multiple titles, the revenue streams start stacking up. This is how I'm building a full-time income, not from one bestseller, but from a portfolio of books, each one creating multiple streams of revenue. Now, part four, scaling the system. Now, here's the key. Once you understand the system, you can scale. Instead of spending months writing one book, I can create and publish multiple books per month with this workflow. That doesn't mean I sacrifice quality. It means I use AI to work smarter. By consistently publishing new titles, I increase my chances of finding winning books. One book might bring in a few $100s a month, another might hit thousands. The more books I have out there under more pen names, then the more consistent my income becomes. And because these are digital assets, they just keep earning year after year. It's compounding. The more you publish, the more stable and predictable your income becomes. So that's how I'm building a full-time income from books with AI. It's not about letting AI do everything. It's about using it strategically strategically for ideas, outlines, drafts, covers, and not to mention formatting, all while you stay in control of quality. One manuscript becomes multiple formats, multiple books become a portfolio, and together they add up to a full-time publishing business. If you want to learn this step by step with my exact prompts, cover design workflows, formatting strategies, and publishing secrets, that's exactly what I teach in my complete course. The link is below if you're ready to start building your own publishing income. Remember, AI is the biggest opportunity that publishers have ever had. The only question is, will you use it to build your future? That's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.